was that me and Sarah were going to go to Value Village today to go shopping for Halloween costumes. And my ninja footage would be filmed there while we were shopping. But at last, I was awoken at 4 o'clock this morning by my mother because my brother's babysitter is sick and cannot take care of him. So I was stuck with babysitting duty, on top of the fact that it is the ugliest day outside right now. The universe just does not want me to leave my house. It's just been a really stressful day because it's the first time I've taken care of my brother for longer than 4 hours, and you know, he's still a baby and it's a lot of work, and I didn't get much sleep last night because I thought I would be able to sleep in today. So I decided that I would need some Starbucks in order to survive this day. As Sarah already mentioned, the evening of my last video, we went out clubbing together. It was fun. It was interesting. I'm definitely going to have to fill you guys in on that in like a non-vlog format. And can I just point out the difference between my feelings fandom-wise between last week and this week?
Maybe at your old school you could get away with the whole I just stayed in the sun all summer excuse, but
I honestly feel like a unicorn just pranced in front of me, looked straight at me, smiled, took a shit, and walked away. And I'm just sitting here like, I will see some of you tonight at our usual hangout, and Kira, I will see you on Sunday.